Okay, alright, so this video is for those who use phones. So this is the way TradingView app is going to come. Sometimes you might see apps like Apple, Microsoft. So all you just need to do is just to swipe, then delete, swipe, then delete, swipe, then click on delete. Alright, so if you want to add a pair, you can click on the plus button, search for, let's say, USD CHF. So I prefer Oanda most of the times because Oanda doesn't show the market gaps, but others show market gaps. So I prefer Oanda. So what do we have? So you can keep on adding all the currency pairs, and also you can add a wish list also for, let's say, myself. So I can create a watch list, then add symbol. Let's just say GBP USD. This is just an example. So I can keep adding to myself. You can see this one to myself. So we have all pairs here. This is the main one. You can just keep clicking. You can see to have I did that myself. So all pairs. So what we are having here is we don't really need much here. So you can also auto rotate on so that it can have a better view. And yes, I prefer this one because the chart always looks bigger that way. What do we have? We have ideas of what I've posted. Profile. This is my profile. Reputation 50, 89 published. I published 89 articles, 16 followers and 2 following. Alright, so what do we have? We have the charts. This is where the main problem is, the charts. I won't be doing all the settings because I'll just do the main ones. So what do we have here? You have your ZJPY, which is clickable. When you click on it, your keyboard should come out. Let's search for AUDCHF. Let's say you just want to analyze. Then you can search for AUDCHF. Always click on Oanda. Wait for it to load. We're still waiting. Okay, AUDCHF is almost loading. So the drawing panel is always there. The drawing panel will come with it when you download it. It will be visible. Yeah, you can see it at the left hand side. Is visible. That's the drawing panel. The drawing panel are the tools. That's where you get all the tools for drawing your risk to reward ratio, and so on and so forth. So let's get into it. What do we have here? We have AUDCHF. Now the settings, we have a lot of settings. Different settings. So there's settings at the top there. So this one deals with the chart settings, the colors, body of candles. So you can set everything by yourself. Just sit down with it and just keep checking. So this one says background. So session breaks, those are the lines, dotted lines. We have watermark. That's the name of the currency pair showing at the back, which is the watermark. AUDCHF, you can see it's showing at the back, like at the background. Okay. What else do we have? We have under settings at the bottom there. So this one isn't really important, but the one we need most is that setting at the top there. So when you want to add indicators, you click on indicators, then you search for your indicators, relative strength index, moving average, just type it and then search for it. What else do we need again? Let's say the candlesticks, we have bars. You can see the candles have changed to bars. We don't need bars. Candles, yeah, that's what we need. Candles. You can see it change back to candlesticks. it has changed back to candlesticks. If you click on it again, you can keep changing it to line. You can see it has changed to line. So let's change it back to candles. You just click that place, then candles. Now the most important is the toolbox. Yeah, the drawing panel. The drawing panel. Cross. Yeah, you can see trend line. That's where you get your trend line. You click on it, then you see this crossbar. When you see the crossbar, just look at where you want to draw the trend line. Let's say you want to draw the trend line from this candle here. Just put the crossbar there, then tap on the screen, then draw it across. You can see, so nice. Then you tap on the screen again, then it's done. So same thing applies for everything that you want to be doing, whichever one you are going to be trading, either the rectangle, anyone. So let's check. So we've done trend line. Let's check another one. Click on it. You can see everything else shown. The ones I need are the ones I've started. You can see I start this so that it will come out. You can see they are all here. So let's move again. We have nothing to use here, just Fibonacci. Let's use the Fibonacci. You can see it just come as a crossbar. When anytime you click it, it will come as a crossbar. Then you press your screen wherever you want to put it, then draw it across. Just draw it. Can you see the as shown? So that's the way it works. So let's delete it. When you want to delete it, just click on it, then you can see delete at the upper right angle. Okay, so this one is what we have, rectangle. You can see brush, rectangle. So let's select rectangle. Let's say we want to draw a support area. I'm coming. Let's say, yeah, let's say you spotted a support area here. You say, okay, this is a nice support area. Let me just select a rectangle there, then tap on the screen and draw it across, and that's all. You can see your zone is created already. Then tap on the screen again. Everything is done. Everything is done. Can you see? So so simple. Just tap on it when you want to draw it, then tap on it again, then it's done. So when you want to delete too, you tap on it, or when you want to adjust it, you adjust it so you can draw it across again. You can keep drawing it across like that, or if you want to increase the size, something like that, so you can see it has increased. That's the way it works. Okay, what else? This is text. Yeah, text can come. So when you click on text, let's check. You also select this place as higher low. Just click on the screen, the text will come out. So nice. And you click on it again, and your keyboard will come out also. So let's say that's what higher low. Then you click OK. You can see it has edited higher low. So simple. So when I want to text again, I click on that text. You will see it's started already, so it's already down here. I don't need to click that place again. I don't need to click this place. I'll just come here and click text. That's another point. I click on the screen, it will bring down my text. Then it should bring down my keyboard. Then the next thing should be higher high. Then I minimize the keyboard and click OK. Can you see? I can even edit. So that's the way it's done. That's the way it's done. So you can move it around. You can move it around. Just tap on it, and yeah, like that. Okay, so just keep on playing with the application. At least I've shown you the major ones, and you can hide the drawing panel. You can see I've hidden it because it will make my screen look bigger, and I've already started the most important ones. Okay, let's delete. You can see delete. This is buy position. If I want to take a buy, so you can let's say I saw a an opportunity to buy at that point, then I'll just select that point and click on it. So I really like this trading view because of this feature. So you can see that this tool has a lot of information. Risk to reward 1:4, and the TP is, let's say you are taking profit at that point, at that point, yeah, where the green line is ending, where the green color is ending rather. So when you click on it to show you all information, it means 83 pips, and SL is what, 92 pips. It means you are taking a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. It means if you are risking 1.9, if you are risking $19, you get $83. That's just the meaning. That's just the meaning. If you are risking $19, you can see 19 is written here. If you are risking $19, you are going to gain 18, it's $3. You can see it's written at the top here. So it has carried all the information you need. It has carried all the information you need. Alright, so if you are selling to, same thing for sell, that's it. Sell, just click on where you want to start the sell position. Then draw it across. You can draw it down too because you're expecting to sell. So the green one should be down. So what do we have again? It has 1:4. You can also reduce it to 1:3. Yeah, you can say 1:2. So it means if you are risking 19 USD, you are going to gain 39 USD. So that's the information that it has there. Have you seen risk to reward 1:2? The one is not there, but you should know that it is 1:2. All right. So this is Ethereum. This is I said I told you to it will buy. Wait for it. You can see I used the tool here. This is the tool I used at this point. I said buy, wait for it, and that was 10 hours ago. Then an hour later, you can see 9 hours ago, it started buying. Can you see it was buying? All right, so I think that will be all for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I'll keep dropping videos that will help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.